Good morning, guys!
Good morning!
We're going to Masasa, Tingloy, Batangas. Doon ako lumaki at doon ako tumira nung bata pa ako. And I'm going to take him there para makapunta din siya. And let's see if makakapunta ba ako sa Banalo. Doon sa exact place na lumaki ako. Kasi ang pupuntahan lang namin ay yung bayan ng Tingloy sa Masasa. And let's see what will happen. We're going to take you with us.
Yeah. We're going to take you with our journey today as well.
And I hope you will enjoy this journey with us and always support us.
Thank you guys supporting us.
We are just preparing our things and we are good to go. We are going now.
We are preparing, going.
We are prepared to go now and we will leave the house. Let's go. Magdadala lang kami ng trash bag para dito namin ilalagay ang basa namin damit. We are going see you in Masasa Beach.
Yep.
I'll close the door. In this side, my love. Your phone. Did you bring your phone? We are going now. Maglalakad lang kami papunta ng Labasan. Sasakay lang kami ng jeep at saka dalawang jeep actually para makapunta ng Mabini Port. Walking. We are waiting now to jeepney papuntang Manghinaw. Ito yung schedule ng Tingloy. Ito magbabay na. Wala. Wala eh. We are here now in Anilao Port. And we are going to wait for the first trip. It's 8:30. Ang pamasahe namin ay, taga doon naman ako, hindi na ako nagbayad ng environmental fee. So, student 116. Tapos, itong kasama ko, boyfriend ko ay 162 pesos. Yun lang yung binayaran namin so far. Kami mag-iintay sa tourism. So, ito yung ito yung Anilao. Papakita ko sa inyo. So handsome. Tignan nyo guys, ang ganda dito sa may Anilao. Ang aliwalas. Ang linis, tapos alam niyo yun, masarap sa mata tignan. Especially pag kasama mo. Ganito ang itsura. let them go first and then we will go after. Dadaong na yung bangka. Bababa na kami ng bangka. Pipicture lang kami pagkababa dun sa may Tingloy. Tapos, diretso na kami ng Masa sa beach. My love, how calm the ocean. I will show you guys. Kalmado yung dagat, sobrang ganda. Makikita niyo yung yung mga maliliit na isda. Tawag doon ay dulong. Sa amin, dito sa Batangas. Ayan yung mga dulong guys, oh. Ewan ko kung nakikita niyo, pero ang linaw. Magpipicture muna kami guys dito sa may Welcome Municipality of Tingloy para may remembrance. Ayan, dito sa part na to guys, magpipicture muna kami. Bumili lang kami ng siomai. Makakain mamaya sa... Kakainin namin mamaya pag nasa Masasa na. Oh my God. I saw something. If God is your partner, make your plans big. Ang bukas ay hindi nakasulat by DJ Moody. That's right. Morning. Check something if you want to eat. This one is vegetable. Oh, it's just new.
Dahil ang buhay ng tao ay hindi nagsukat sa dami ng kanyang pag-aari.
Ano ang kinukuha mong inspirasyon sa pakikinig sa dating na araw-araw?
Kasi pag nandiyan ang Panginoon sa buhay ko, kahit
Nag-order lang ako ng kalabasa, talong, yung gulay, tapos isang hotdog.
Mahirap, may mahirap. Pero pag nandiyan ang Panginoon, tutulong din ang Panginoon.
Amen. Amen. Talagang dapat we eat the faith ika nga, no? Kahit na
Teleservisyo para sa Pilipino.
Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Do you like the food?
Yeah, it's good.
Naglalakad lang kami guys dahil sayang din ang pamasahe. 200, malapit lang naman. Parang 15 minutes away. Mamaya na lang kami sasakay ng tricycle pagpabalik na. Para hindi mapagod. Bumili ako ng mangga. na may alamang. Kakainin namin sa may masasa. Kainin namin sa dagat. Mangga na may alamang. We are just walking, going to the beach.
It's nice to walk.
Yeah. I want him to walk. That is the reason. Very peaceful here. And yeah, it's very windy actually. Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's very peaceful. Nakakapagod guys yung daan, Terik. Pababa oh. We are almost there. It's a bit tiring but it's worth it. Andito na kami sa may taas. Bababa na lang kami doon sa may mismong beach. Open your camera. The other one. In portrait. Look. We're going down while I'm making. Look guys what we are doing. He's taking a video. Portrait, but I'm taking a video landscape. So we have videos to post. Pababa na kami ng... Oo. Tingnan niyo yung daan ng Tarik. Pababa. What are you saying? He's saying, sasakay na daw kami ng tricycle pagka pumunta ng port. Kasi nakakapagod. Pagod na siya maglakad. Is that what you're saying? You're tired? We will take like... No, he's saying he's tired and we need to... Guys, ganda na ng view. Makikita nyo ito pagka pababa. Tignan nyo yung daan, matarik. Ang tarik ng daan, pababa. We're going to take a picture in this side. Yan sa may... We're going to take a picture there. In the middle. Andito na kami guys sa may palayan. Malapit sa may beach. Sa Masasa Beach. Taga dito naman ako kaya alam ko yung daan. Kaya naglakad na lang kami at hindi na kami nag-tricycle. Sayang din guys kung gaano ka-peaceful, katahimik, at saka kaganda ang Masasa Beach. Pumunta kayo dito. I highly recommend that you visit this place or this island.
I can build a house.
He wants to build a house over here. I said it's too expensive to buy a lot in this area. Okay. Andito na kami guys. Tignan nyo kung gaano kaganda ang Masasa. Ang Tingloy, Masasa. Ayan, andito na kami sa may entrance ng papasok ng Masasa Beach. We will just take a video and picture first. We're here in Masasa Beach. Dito yung papasok papunta ng beach. And look at the view. Wow. And with this handsome. We're going to take a picture first and video bago mag-swimming. Guys, we are here already in Masasa Beach. We are just walking. It's beautiful. So sunny.
Yeah.
Super hot. Super init. Super duper init. Let me ask them first if they have load, okay? Then I will buy, okay? We can do TikTok, ha? Hello guys, we are enjoying Masasa Beach right now. Ayan, nandito kami sa dagat ngayon at ini-enjoy namin yung time namin together. And are you enjoying?
Yes, we are fully enjoying it today.
Yeah.
Sunshine, hot, beautiful beach, beautiful water.
Yeah, be careful, I have a phone. Yeah. We will show you around para makita nyo din ang place and para makita nyo din ang lugar, the place kung saan ako lumaki, the place kung saan ako pinanganak. Oo nga pala guys, taga dito ako. This is the place kung saan ako lumaki. Dito sa island na to, pero hindi dito sa area na to kasi yung area kung saan ako lumaki ay malayo dito sa bayan ng Masasa. And we will show you the beach, Masasa Beach. Say hello guys.
Hello guys.
He don't know how to take a good picture of me. Every time I take a picture of him, I always take a good picture. And we always argue because I don't have any good picture that he takes. So you need to date a photographer, not a foreigner who don't know how to take a picture.
Before to date, do a course of photography.
You need to bring a photographer with you. Because, you know, it's annoying because I take a good picture of him. Every single click, it's good. But every time he click, he show my teeth. Every time I'm not smiling. You know, I look angry in the picture. So, I'm upset and annoyed. Pupunta kami doon sa may dulo. Magpipicture kami doon sa may bato. Nothing happened. Then dito sa part na to, walang tao. So, swerte kami kasi walang tao pa masyado dito. Ha? Konti pa lang yung turista ngayon. Ayan o, ang mga turista. Nagtutour guide sila ng island hopping, snorkeling at iba-iba pa. We're not going to do any activity in water, right? Because we did it already in Boracay, in Puerto.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Parang lahat na ata ng activity ng water nagawa na namin sa nung naglibot kami sa Boracay at saka sa Puerto Galera. Kaya ayaw na namin i-try. Asong sumusunod sa amin. Look guys. Ayan oh, ang super ganda. It's very peaceful here. You should go here. Look, it's so kalmado. You should come here and visit here and visit this place. Naglalakad na kami papunta ng bayan ng Tingloy. Babalik na kami ng Batangas City. Ang last trip nga pala dito ay alas 4. So if you guys wanted to go, makakabalik pa kayo ng bayan kasi the first trip is 8:30 and then the last trip 4 PM. Makakabalik din agad kayo. Marami dito magagandang spot na pwede nyo pagpicturean, like here, dito sa bato na to. Dito kami nagpicture kanina. Tapos punta din kayo doon sa may dulong yun, sa may mga coconut tree. Pwede din kayo dito sa may cave. Ayan oh, may cave. Huwag nyo nga lang iiwanan ng mga maduduming plastic. Kasi kawawa yung mga naglilinis dito. Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Oo, na-enjoy namin talaga ang aming pagpunta dito. And tomorrow is my birthday.
It's big day.
Yeah, I'm already 20 years old. Yay! Tignan nyo kung gaano kaganda dito sa Masasa Beach. You should go here. But there's no sand. Look at that. The sand that they are making. Wala dito yung ano tulad ng sa Boracay. Let's go. Babalik na kami ng bayan. Ang daming kambing.
Look guys, where we need to work after. There's a big, we're not working. Going to do that. You plan to do that?
Yeah.
You're going to be fast. Okay.
Yeah. I'm with you. There is no tricycle going up. It's tiring. He's tired. We are going back to Batangas. Andito na ulit kami sa May Piet. Let's go. Bye-bye, Tingloy.